Hey everybody, it's Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today we're going to be checking out the 2026 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 173 MD. This unit is very similar to the Starcraft 177 BH, which is one that I did a video on a few days ago. It's the same sort of layout, but this one just does not have the bunkhouse. It still has the queen size bed, and it still has the dinette that folds down into a bed. So it sleeps about 4, but this is a great beginner travel trailer for couples, and you're not gonna find an entry-level travel trailer like this one at the quality and the price point that it sits at. This unit is a little over 21 feet long, and it's great. It's lightweight, and it's got all the basics that you need. So before I get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all of our social media that I will link in the description below, and I will also link our website and our phone number in the description in case you would like some more information on this unit or units like it. And let's check out this camper. On the outside here, we've got a single axle aluminum exterior travel trailer. We've got a 10-foot power awning on the front here. This unit has the nice tinted windows on the outside. Here is your water heater. That'll be a 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. Up top, you've got the nice gutter system that comes off here, so you're not worrying about water running down your unit and staining it. Front storage here. This is your only exterior storage compartment. It does not pass through, but it is big enough to fit all of your needs. Got the nice magnetic door catches here. Around front, you've got your propane storage there. This is where you connect your power cord, detachable power cord. This will be running off of 30 amp. And the back here, you've got your rear camera prep as well as your Lippert on the go ladder receiver there, so you can get a ladder. The roof is fully walkable with Starcraft's Magnum roof system. This unit is very small, lightweight. Let's go ahead and check on the inside. Coming inside, you've got the nice Queen Island bed at the front. You've got the large open cabinet storage here. It's very deep, so you can fit pretty much anything that you want in there. You've got the nice thick mattress, and on the sides of both beds, you've got your outlets. You've got USB charging on that side, and you've got nice little bedside space there for books, water, whatever you want to set there, your phones, etc. All throughout the unit, we've got these nice plated blackout shades. They're really thick and sturdy, so it's going to keep out a lot of that light. You'll notice around the camper, you've got no open and raw seams. This not only makes the camper look nice and put together, but it also enhances durability and makes the camper last longer. Over to the kitchen, there's everything that you could possibly need. You've got a microwave, you've got the 8 cubic foot 12-volt fridge there, your 2-burner gas stove, as well as your cabinets up top and at the bottom. All the cabinets and drawers in this unit are solid hardwood, and they've also got the nice hidden hinges there. Once again, this does not only make it more aesthetic and more sleek and clean looking, but it also enhances durability, and it makes it easier to fix if for some reason it breaks. You can find any of those screws and those hinges in a regular hardware store, so it just makes it easier for you. You've got your nice under the sink storage there, and a couple drawers there. There's also the outlet there in case you need to plug in a coffee maker, a crock pot, other kitchen appliances. Right across from the kitchen is the dinette. You've got some nice overhead storage up there and your dinette here. This dinette does fold down into a bed, and it can sleep up to 2 people. You've also got outlets there, great for charging your phone, or more kitchen appliances can be plugged in there as well. You also got some nice storage under the dinette. Up above the dinette is where you will find your TV bracket location and an outlet there. In case you want to install a TV, that's where you would put it. Connected to the overhead cabinets here, you've got your power awning controls, your lights, and your tank monitoring system. In this unit, you've also got your 13.5 roof-mounted AC here. It'll keep this unit nice and cool. It is not central AC, but again, this is a smaller unit, so you don't really need central AC to keep this thing cold. All right, in the bathroom, you've got this really nice, deep floor to ceiling open cabinet storage there for all of your toiletries, your towels, anything else you want to put in there. You've got your plastic foot flush toilet and your nice large shower here with the vent up top. So that was the 2026 Autumn Ridge 173MD. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and feel free to leave a comment, let us know what you think about this unit. If you want more information on this unit, feel free to visit our website at premierrv.com or give us a call at the number on the screen for more information. And we'll see you guys on the next one.